All right, going to be taking a look at HDYN. This was requested over here on investorshangout.com/live. Our live show returning stronger and bigger than ever. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into what we're going to be paying attention to for HDYN. All right, so I understand that this company has had a lot going on here from what I was just told from the person that requested this one to have us take a look at. And I'm going to talk about that. Okay, I'm going to talk about that here in a second. Let me get this these lines in here. There we go. All right, so 14, 16, and 17, those are going to be the levels that I'm talking about right now. Again, I mean, this went all the way down to 6 cents off a huge, huge drop. So this is what we know so far. Again, there's just so much going on with this one, where this chart goes. I mean, we're talking dropping all the way from the dollar area. All right, so over here on 9/7, you guys were trading at, it opened that day at $1.47. And then the next day, it opened at 10 cents. $1.47 down to 10 cents. Okay? I didn't want to leave that part out. I thought it was very critical that we talk about that, even though it was over a month ago. But there might be a lot of you guys that might be in this one still. So on. So with that being said, $14.95 is where you're currently at right now. And again, HDYN, there was news that the drilling offshores of Africa was not successful, according to what we're being told here on our live stream. But later, news came that they were still reevaluating the findings. All right, so there's still going to be that chance here. I mean, there's any good news that comes out that says, okay, it's not as bad as we thought, or something like that, that could really, really trigger another move back up here. So right now we're going to be watching this one at $14.95. For this one to come back alive here, in my opinion, I would want to see a break of 17 cents. 14 cents is going to be the must-hold area. You break through 14 cents, it might not be looking too good, but if you break through that 17 cents, I mean, again, there's a huge gap between the 17 cents and $1.47. Could it go all the way back up to $1.47? Depending on what comes back. I mean, if something comes back really good news, like to offset that bad news, then boom, you guys could be right back to where you were trading before. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but I've seen it happen before. So 10.10, it's going to be our current price. We're going to put our resistance levels in at 16. There's going to be another one over here as well. What was that, like 15? 15.52. 16. 17, support, followed up over here by the 20, 14.75, and 14, a break of all right, so 14 is going to be the must hold. A break of 17 would be very bullish considering what has happened here. But again, I mean, like I said, there was news that their offshore drilling wasn't that successful. Not what you want to hear, especially being an investor. If you're heavily invested into the company, it's the last thing you want to hear. But then the news came out that they were still looking into it. So with that being said, over here on investorshangout.com, the time and sales, guys, you can follow us live while we stream on investorshangout.com/live, and then the time and sales for HDYN, completely free with the time, price, and volume for each individual trade. You guys are going to have the message board, company profile, recent news, filings, financials, buy rating, time and sales. You guys get the point. But most importantly, I definitely encourage you to check us out live Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm going to try to stream every single day here moving forward, but at least Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern.